Creating posts on Bluesky. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paola back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to create your first post on the Bluesky social network. Like these kinds of videos, there are more related videos on this channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. So let's get started. This channel has more Bluesky related videos. Want to see more videos? Have any questions? I'll link the playlist now. Once you create an account, go to Discover. You'll see an option at the bottom to create your first post, both in Discover and on your profile. This option appears below to create your first post. Just click the blue button. It'll give you a prompt to start writing. Type what you want to post here. So, write something quick here. First post, animals are here on Bluesky. Below, you'll have some options. 3 options at the bottom to add a photo. You can choose one from your gallery, or there's an option to take a photo right away by tapping this icon. You'll need to allow Bluesky to access your camera during app use to take photos. You can also add a GIF. Just pick the GIF you want to post. If you can't find the GIF you want, just tap here to search for your preferred one. So I'm going to choose this puppy one. It shows up right away. You can add some emails here too, and you can include an alt text describing the image for blind and low vision users. At the bottom you can set who can interact with your post. So by clicking here, you can set who can interact with your post. Everyone, no one, specific users or followers. You can also configure this option. If you want to change the language, no problem. Just click here below and choose your preferred language. Once you're done, simply click up here to post. Now you can see my first post here on my profile. Did you get it, folks? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. I'll wrap it up here. Take care and God bless. Thanks.